Welcome to this video. We'll see how I trade BTC by using ICT 2022 mentorship concepts by one. Let's see guys, this is BTC 5-minute chart. I can see guys, this is BTC 5-minute chart. This is Feb 13 price section, yesterday price section. See guys, I start from this level. This is morning session time. See guys, 8:30 a.m. 8:30 to 12. This is morning session time. This is New York lunch 12 to 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 4:30 is evening session. This is all in New York time. So guys, after 8:30 price clear this sell liquidity first. After this is round liquidity. After clear this level, we should look for where is the next round liquidity. We have this above 5 buy sell liquidity. See guys, equal highs. Market makers clear this liquidity. See guys, after clear this liquidity is London lunch, no trade area. Is morning evening session start after 1 p.m. See guys, price reach my 50% premium level. I know after reaching this level price will reverse. See guys, how I show you how I mark this level. See guys, if you use your fibs up to this level to this low, this high to this low, you will find 50% of this level. See guys, 50%. See guys, 50%. This is my these red lines. Sir, 50% premium level. I marked this red line as a 50% of fib level at this, as you know, premium 50% of level. That is my confirmation. After price reach this level, price will fall. At the same time, we have shares below discount level. Fairly have this is my target level. After reach price this level, I look for 1 minute low time frame entry model. See guys, 1 minute chart of BTC price after clear this swing low. I enter at these candles. See guys, after price reach 50% of premium level, my entry point is at this breaker level, and my target level is below discount level fairly gap. This is my target level. I will show you my paper trade execution proof. See guys, you can see this is my entry level, this is my target level. You can see by this simple. I will show you cone history. See guys, this is yesterday, Feb 13. See guys, you can see here my entry level and exit level. Profit 5 to 4, $524. This is paper trade. See guys, how the price action. See guys, how the market makers move in the market at the specific time, liquidity to liquidity. This is my entry point level, this is my exit level. See guys, market makers, how the market makers move in the market to this liquidity. First clear in morning section this sell liquidity and move in the market to this upside, clear this buy sell liquidity and reach this 50% of discount premium level. After reach this level, market makers move in the market to the downside and fill this fairly gap. See guys, this is evening session trade, and we'll see last 3 days price action also by using ICT 2022 mentorship concepts. See guys, this is BTC 5-minute chart. Is February 10th price action. See guys, I marked this level. You can see these time zones is morning session, evening session. This level is New York lunch. You can see after 8:30. See guys, after 8:30 market makers move in the market to the downside and clear the sell liquidity. See guys, you can't say why you mark this swing low. See guys, we have these level as equal lows, retail as heavy support levels. See guys, this is my sell liquidity level. See guys, market makers how the move the price after. See guys, market makers clear first the sell liquidity, that is liquidity pools, and after clear this liquidity market makers move in the market next on liquidity and filled these imbalance also, imbalance or rebalance. See guys, how the market makers move in the market, liquidity after clear this also liquidity market makers rebalance this imbalance and clear this above buy sell liquidity. Can say why you mark this level. See guys, that is previous day high. Market makers reach this level and clear this high liquidity pools. See guys, how the market makers move in the market. First they clear after 8:30 sells the liquidity and rebalance this imbalance and moving the market to this upside up to this buy sell liquidity previous day highs. After clear this buy sell liquidity, he sells liquidity pools. See guys, lunchtime lunch we didn't trade. Market makers immediately rebalance this imbalance. See guys, with specific time. See guys, before 4:30 market makers rebalance this imbalance. See guys, how the price action and how the market makers move in the market to the liquidity and imbalance to imbalance. After 4:30 price is in consolidation. Can see consolidation. We'll see another. This is Feb 11 price action of btcusd. See guys, this morning session. After 8:30 market makers filled this imbalance parallel gap and moving the market to this upside up to this equal lows by sell liquidity. After price in consolidation, it is New York lunchtime and there is no trade area. After clear this sell liquidity, see guys, in evening session market makers moving the market to this next round liquidity. Where is this sell liquidity? Can see why you mark this level. See guys, again we have this is previous day low. This is previous day low and we have, see guys, equal lows also, relatively equal lows we have on this left side. This is our next round liquidity. See guys, how the market makers move in the market liquidity to liquidity. First in morning session market makers fill this value gap and clear this buy sell liquidity. After clear this buy sell liquidity, you see price in consolidating, and in this evening session market makers moving the market to this downside up to this, see guys, previous day low sell liquidity. So this is equal low also, relatively equal low. This is our sell liquidity, that is the next round liquidity. See guys, how the price action, how the market makers move in the market to liquidity. This is Feb 11th price action. After 4:30 after evening session, you can see market in consolidation. See guys, this is the Feb 13 price action. As I told, after 8:30 market makers clears the sell liquidity and moving the market to this upside liquidity to clear this buy sell liquidity, and price reach this 50% of premium level. As you know, after reach this level price will reverse. Yes, price clearly reverse and filled this parallel gap, and after filling this imbalance price is in consolidation state. See guys, market makers how move the price in between clear time zones. Market makers clearly moving the market to the liquidity imbalance to rebalance with this specific time. See guys, with this specific time 8:30 or 8:32 12 noon morning session, 1 p.m. to 4:30 evening session. See guys, we saw 4 days, 11, Feb, 12, Feb 13, 3 days price action in btcusd by ICT 2022 mentorship concepts. I hope you in this video will help you in your trading journey. See guys, who are struggling forex trading, and share this video. We'll see you guys another video. I hope you in this video will help you in your trading journey. If you have any doubt, please use this comment section. We'll see you in another video. Good luck, good trade.